Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account. It's quite simple and easy, just follow these simple steps, and first you need to open up Instagram application and get in your profile section. Then tap on this icon at the top right. Here tap on settings. There get in account, and here at the very bottom is feature delete account, and when I tap on it, here I can delete my account or disable my account. What's the difference? Disabling your account is temporary. Your profile, photos, comments and likes will be hidden until you enable it by toggling back in. Deleting your account is permanent. Your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently deleted. So here at the bottom you can select what to do with your account, disable account or delete your account. And that's for you to decide what to do. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.